morning class LKG. Say good morning. Very good. How are you all? मैम ने क्या सिखाया था आपको? When ma'am will ask how are you, then what will you say? Ma'am, I am fine, thank you. Okay? Understood everyone? क्या बोलना है आपको? I am fine, thank you ma'am. I am fine, thank you ma'am. Very good. Okay. How are you all? Very good. Okay. So first of all, let's do assembly work. Okay, everyone. Okay. So shape of the week is circle. Say circle. Shape of the week is circle. Very good. And our color of the week is yellow. Which color is this? Yellow. Very good. And our fruit of the week is, which fruit is this? Mango. Repeat after ma'am. Say mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. Very good. Okay, everyone. And the sentence of the week is I am. Repeat after ma'am. Say I am waiting for summer vacation. Very good. One more time. Repeat after ma'am. Say I am waiting for summer vacation. I am waiting for summer vacation. ये क्या है हमारा sentence of the week. And the word of the week is vacation. Repeat after ma'am. Say vacation. Say vacation. And vacation means छुट्टियाँ. Holidays. Okay, vacation means छुट्टियाँ. Very good. So हमारा sentence of the week क्या है? Repeat after ma'am. Say I am waiting for summer vacation. And what is the word of the week? Very good. Vacation. And vacation means छुट्टियाँ. Vacation means छुट्टियाँ. Very well done. Okay. And अभी हमारा month कौन सा चल रहा है? What is the month of the year? कौन सा month चल रहा है अभी? April. Repeat after ma'am. Say April. 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 कौन सा month चल रहा है हमारा? April. Very good. ठीक है? तो सबको पता चल गया ना? What is the color of the week? Very good. Yellow. Repeat after ma'am. Say yellow. Okay. And what's the shape of the week? Very good. Circle. Okay. And what's the fruit of the week? Fruit of the week? Very good. Mango. Say mango. Okay. And a sentence of the week. I am waiting for summer vacation. And what's the word of the week? Very good. Vacation. And vacation means छुट्टियाँ. Okay. And month कौन सा चल रहा है हमारा? Very well done. April. April. Okay. Very good. Okay. So let's start the class. Everyone, this is our English class. ये कौन सी class है आप हमारी? English. Okay. and in this class we are going to learn about alphabet A. आज की क्लास में हम क्या सीखेंगे? अल्फाबेट A. क्या सीखेंगे हम? A. Okay. So first of all, take out your English literacy book. English literacy book. This one. Take out your English literacy book. ठीक है? Happy Faces literacy book. Done everyone? Take out your literacy book and open page number 4. Page number 4. Done everyone? Page number 4. Done? Done everyone? Okay. Now this is alphabet A. Which alphabet is this? Alphabet A. See? A. Capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. Okay? Capital A and small a. Okay? Which alphabet is this? A. Which alphabet is this? A. See? A. Okay? A for apple and A for ant. A for apple and A for ant. Done? Now this is capital A and small a. Small a. Now trace the letters with your finger. Slanting line. One more slanting line and sleeping line. Capital A. Now C pattern, standing line, small a. Small a. Okay. Now पेज नंबर 5 पे आ जाते हैं. ठीक है. पेज नंबर 5 में सब ऐसे हैंड रखेंगे, अपनी बुक में फिंगर रखेंगे एंड मैम के साथ रीड करेंगे. ओके एवरीवन? से E फॉर एम्बुलेंस. ऐसे फिंगर रखेंगे अपने बुक में एंड रीड करेंगे. E फॉर एम्बुलेंस. A for ambulance. Repeat after ma'am. Say A for X. A for X. Now A for arrow. A for arrow. Now A for angry. A for angry. Now A for ankle. A for ankle. A for alligator. A for alligator. Very good. A for ambulance. A for ambulance. A for X. A for X. Now A for arrow. A for angry. Now A for alligator. And A for ankle. A for ankle. Very good. Okay. So which letter is this? Letter A. Capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. Okay. Very good. Now we will learn how to write capital A and small a. Okay, so take out your English handwriting book. Take out your English handwriting book. इसमें हम क्या लिखना सीखेंगे? A for apple. Take out your English handwriting book, everyone. Okay, English handwriting book निकालिए and open the page number 10. Page number 10. Page number 10. English handwriting book and page number 10. Done? Okay. So first of all we will make slanting line. मैम ने आपको slanting line बनाना सिखाया है ना. टॉप से स्टार्ट करेंगे and bottom तक. Make a slanting line. Join the dot like this. Done? Now another slanting line. Done? And sleeping line. Capital A. क्या राइट करा हमने? क्या लिखा? कैपिटल A. Okay. Now small a. First of all, C pattern. Make a curve like this and one standing line. Small a. Small a. Done? यहाँ पे भी हम डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कर्व and standing line. Small a. Curve and standing line. Small a. ठीक है. अब मैम आपको यहाँ पे लिखना सिखाएंगे. ये सारा आपको फिल करना है. ओके एवरीवन. सबसे पहले क्या बनाना था? कर्व and one standing line. Small a. Done? Curve and one standing line. Small a. सबको बनाना आ गया ना? ठीक है. तो ऐसे ही आप ये क्या करेंगे? इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे अपनी इंग्लिश हैंडराइटिंग नोटबुक में. ओके एवरीवन. So that's all for today. Thank you class. Bye bye.